Hey guys, Travell. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my only arrowhead. This is pretty cool. I found it somewhere. I can't remember. It's pretty cool. It's your nose. No, I'm just playing. Okay. Also going to be showing you my Swiss Army knife. Really hard to get out, but let me get mine. Looks like I can't get that out, but this is my Swiss Army knife. Has a keyring, toothpick. On this one's just a screwdriver. And on here is the wire stripper, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So it's 10 things on Swiss Army knife. Or you can use it for a double blade. So that was my Swiss Army knife and my favorite arrowhead. This is the only one I've ever gotten. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. See you next time on the next adventure.